Hey there! It's February and snowing a lot here in New York. While watching the snow and realized I want to eat warm noodle named 잔치국수 because my grandma cooked this noodle on chilly days. I have my grandma's special seasoning. Stay with me. So let's cook. You can use anchovy soup base or veggie broth is okay too. While you prepare soup base, let's cook garnish for onion and carrot. Egg and seaweed are optional. Let's prepare my grandma's special seasoning. Slice of green onion and chili, ratio 2:1. Ginger, garlic, chili powder, soy sauce, little pepper, sesame oil. Mix well. Voila! Noodle time! Use your Korean thin noodle or Japanese Chinese wheat noodle. Once bubble up, add a half cup of cold water and cook 30 minutes more. This makes noodle more chewy. Rinse with cold water. My hand is freezing. Yay! We are done! Add noodle to the bowl, then soup. Add egg, onion, and carrot for garnish. Many people add dry seaweed, but I skipped it. Here you are. Yes, add my grandma's special seasoning. Oh, there's anchovy by my bowl. It's for you, Taxi. Try soup first. Warm and clean anchovy taste. I didn't know what my boy did next to me. So cute. My grandma's seasoning gave me more veggie flavor. Really good. You know, add one slice of kimchi and grab with a noodle and eat. That's the best. I'm full of happiness that I can have a 잔치국수 on chilly days, and I hope you guys are feeling like this too.